We will see Vian's new car. Yeah, I can see the decoration. Nice balloons. Okay, he will take some pictures now. Now Vian will reveal his. One, two, three. Wow, nice car. Ooh la la.